Good day, everyone. Time for the tropical update with J7409. We're looking at a picture, of course, of Hurricane Lane down here underneath the Hawaiian Islands. I'd like to make it real plain and clear that I am 6 hours ahead of Hawaii time. I'm on the east coast of the United States. My time is Eastern Daylight Savings Time. What I want to show you here, this is a radar capture picture of what it's looking like this morning where I am at 7:07 a.m. So I'm going to run it up. You guys probably are going to start receiving some of these outer rain bands between 4 and 7 Hawaiian time this morning. So let's turn it on. Let's click it through and see how it progresses along. You can see what's going on here right now. It's a little bit slow. I apologize for that. But it's looking like coming up. Now you can start to see some of the rain bands starting to come over the Big Island. Just some rain. This is around 4 or 5 o'clock in between that time, Hawaiian time. As we move on through, you can see the rain bands are getting wider. You guys are going to start getting more rain and rain. And as far as I can go at this point is 1:45 p.m. my time. So that's around 7:45 a.m. your time. I'm 6 hours ahead of you, and you can see a lot of rain now over the Big Island, some over the little islands. Honolulu, no rain at this time, but still some rain bands. All of this rain's coming your way. Be prepared for it. Okay, my friends, this is what you can expect. I'm not going to go through everything, but this is what you need to know. Okay, a turn toward the northwest is expected today, followed by a turn to the northwest Thursday. And on the forecast track, the center of Lane will move very close to or over the main Hawaiian Islands from Thursday through Saturday. Once it really gets started, it's not going to be over with for many until Saturday. Through Saturday, I should say. Now, Lane is a Category 5 hurricane at this point. Now, the winds are near 160 miles per hour. It has higher gusts in it. Now, slow weakening is forecast during the next few hours, but Lane is forecast to remain a dangerous hurricane as it draws closer to the islands, and the hurricane force winds extend outward up to 40 miles from the center, and tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 140 miles. And the latest barometric pressure, 27.47 inches. Here's what hazards you need to look out for. The wind. Tropical storm conditions are expected within the hurricane warning area beginning late Wednesday night, tonight, into early Thursday morning, with hurricane conditions expected somewhere within the warning area Thursday. Tropical storm conditions are possible within the hurricane watch area beginning Thursday into Thursday night, with hurricane conditions possible late Thursday night into Friday. So far as the rainfall, lots and lots of rain. Excessive rainfall is associated with Lane. It's expected to affect portions of the Hawaiian Islands from late today. As I was showing you, it's going to start. The rain bands are going to start earlier, but the excessive rain is what I'm talking about from late tonight into the weekend, leading to flash flooding and landslides, and Lane is expected to produce total rain accumulations of 10 to 15 inches with isolated amounts greater. Now, yesterday it didn't say greater. Today it says greater than 20 inches over the Hawaiian Islands. surf, large swells generated by Lane is going to impact the Hawaiian Islands beginning tonight on the Big Island, spreading across the remainder of the island chain today through tomorrow. Now, these swells will produce large and potentially damaging surf along the exposed west, south, and east facing shorelines. Now, here is the National Hurricane Center, NOAA, out of Hawaii's tracking graph. Okay, as you can see, this is the time frame. It's all marked out for you. This is a hurricane warning. This is a hurricane watch. Wherever you see the pink, those islands are in a hurricane watch. The red, the Big Island, is a hurricane warning. And you can see how it moves along in time. We'll watch it one more time. Now I'm going to share a link, so click show more. This is a really good link. It's the TCV for Hawaii, and when you click the link that I give you, when it comes up, it's going to show all of the islands as of now. All you have to do is click a Pacific place, okay? We will take Maui County and we'll click Zone 13, and what will happen is it will tell you everything that you can expect, okay? As it's updated. Everything that you can expect. So that will happen for each of the places that you click. Now, this was the last time it came out. It will update, okay? Do not worry, it will update. It's very helpful. It'll keep you informed and exactly where you are located. It will help you out a lot what to expect and what you need to do. Now, as we take a look at the graph with the models on it here, of course, this is the TVCN model where all the rest of the models have been put together and computed, and the formula's been made as to where it may go. It's got it coming off of the coast. And this is the cone of convection here on this particular graph. It has it going right by the Big Island all the way up and around. Now, there is one that has it like this. See, this has changed since yesterday. A couple of them had it going right to it. Still a hurricane when it leaves offshore, not turning into a tropical storm until way out here. Doesn't mean that this graph is precise. It's a good thing to go by, though. Usually this model is pretty on the ball. So far as the Atlantic Ocean and the Eastern Pacific, nothing going on in the next 5 days. They're all looking clear. Once again, Lane this morning is a Category 5 hurricane. The winds are 160 with higher gusts. The pressure, 930 millibars, located 14.7 north, 154.5 west. It's moving west-northwest at 9 miles per hour. So with that all said and done, there's not much else to say. You guys know that the storm is coming your way. Please prepare for it and stay safe, and keep me posted from all of you, all of my people over in Hawaii that are my subscribers and my subs. As long as you can and you have internet access, please keep me posted as to what's going on in your area. And when you write me a note, make sure and put where you are in that, okay? If you have any pictures to share, that's more than welcome, because everybody over here in the U.S. mainland want to know what's happening over there. So please send the pictures if you can. I understand. Do not put yourself in harm's way in any way. But if you can get any pictures, click show more. You'll find an email address to send them to. Please subscribe. Click the bell. Make sure you get all the latest in weather news, forecasts, watches, warnings, and tropical weather. Everybody's thinking about all of our friends in Hawaii. Everybody stay safe. This is a Category 5 hurricane. It doesn't matter if you get a direct hit or not. You're going to know it's out there. So please be safe. And peace, love, and kindness to each of you.